Hello, YouTube. Yes, you seen the Final Control piano. I'll tell you the honest truth about it. It's going to be a Christmas gift, and I'll admit to you, I kind of found it. Just to say that. Just saying the honest truth on my channel about it. No cap, nothing. It still works, but really, I'm kind of embarrassed about it. But it's cool. Yeah, I'm kind of embarrassed about what I've done. I shouldn't have done that, but at least I told the honest truth to my mom today, and she's cool with it. Yeah, but I'm still gonna have the panel, don't worry. I still get to have the panel. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on mom for you guys. Yeah. Anyways, I'm sorry, mom and dad. Anyways, that's it.